Oh, all right, there we go. Yo, what up, peeps? It's your boy C's from theCeesLife.com, and today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys my game plan, my approach on building this business online. My first major key is to serve a community. Now, what community that I'm looking to serve? Now, herein lies the challenge. I'm trying to serve two communities simultaneously. Now, one, I want to serve the coaches side. I want to help them solve a major problem. Now, what's that problem? The problem is going to be the problem is that they're spending too much time training clients for little pay, right? And there's a lot of things that go into a training session. There's meal prepping, there's consultations, there's program design, and all those things can be streamlined. And I want to help them create that content, that evergreen content, so that they can distribute it to more athletes, the athletes that we train, right? So that they can save more time, do what it is that they love, have more time to lift, have more time to eat properly themselves, because there's a lot of trainers who are not taking care of themselves because they put their clients first. And I want to help them monetize their message so that they can still feed their family and reach and help serve more athletes. Now, on the athlete side, I want to create the same ecosystem with coaches where they can get this content from and get their results, jumpstart their journey, their fitness journey, and help them get their results. And through those content development from the coaches on their expert knowledge on nutrition, movement, strength training, building muscle, losing weight, right? That content is going to be beneficial to them in a nice, safe space where all of them can collaborate, right? And also, they'll be able to ask coaches a bunch of questions and help them get their quality care that they need. And, you know, nobody is sacrificing anything. There is like a win-win situation. So that's sort of my approach. I'm going to whiteboard it at one point so that I can draw like a diagram, because explaining it might be a little tricky so far, but how am I going to be able to do it? Through this content that I'm delivering to you right now. I'm just looking for that coach and that athlete that want to get activated and go through this journey with me. So if you are that person, or if you know anyone that wants to engage or find value in this sort of thing, hit me up in the comments. Subscribe to this channel, because that's what this 90-day challenge is about. I'm looking to build this community online where coaches and athletes can collaborate and make money online and live their most healthiest and fittest lives, right? And it all starts with activating that one person that want to step up and take action. So if you're watching this video and you want to take action, just hit me up, DM me, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and join my email list, because we're going straight to the top. All right. Hope that answered any questions. Give this video a like, and yeah, till the next time. See you guys tomorrow.